Have you ever pondered on the wealth amassed by your favorite YouTubers? Ever found yourself lost in thought, wondering how these digital celebrities manage to rake in such impressive earnings just by sharing content online? Well, today we're going to demystify the process and lay bare the steps these savvy creators take to turn their YouTube channels into veritable gold mines. First things first, the journey starts with a simple but crucial step: setting up a YouTube channel. This is your platform, your stage, where you'll showcase your creativity, share your ideas, and build an audience. Remember, your channel is your brand, so take your time to carve out a unique identity that resonates with your desired audience. Once your channel is up and running, the next step is creating content. But not just any content. It has to be engaging, original, and of high quality. It's this kind of content that keeps viewers coming back for more, and more viewers mean more potential earnings. Now onto the question that's been burning in your mind: how do these YouTubers actually make money? They don't get paid per video per se. Instead, their earnings come from multiple sources, and it's a smart mix of these income streams that leads to those impressive figures you hear about. One of the most common ways YouTubers make money is through ad revenue. Once a channel reaches a certain threshold, it becomes eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. This means that YouTube will start placing ads on your videos, and you'll earn a portion of the revenue generated from those ads. Another way YouTubers earn is through channel memberships. This involves your viewers paying a monthly fee to get access to exclusive perks like badges, new emojis, and bonus content. It's a great way to generate a steady stream of income, especially if you have a dedicated fan base. And then there's merchandise. Many YouTubers create their own product lines, from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and posters, and sell them directly to their fans. This can be a lucrative source of income, especially for channels with a large and engaged audience. But that's not all. YouTubers also make money through brand partnerships and sponsorships. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers who can help them reach a wider audience, and YouTubers with a significant following can command a pretty penny for these collaborations. And finally, there's crowdfunding. Some YouTubers turn to their audience for financial support using platforms like Patreon to fund their content creation. This can be a viable option, particularly for creators who produce niche content that may not be as advertiser-friendly. So to recap, earning on YouTube involves setting up a channel, creating engaging content, and leveraging various income streams including ad revenue, channel memberships, merchandise sales, brand partnerships, and crowdfunding. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with creativity, dedication, and a bit of business savvy, it's possible to turn a YouTube channel into a profitable venture. Remember, it's not just about the money. It's about sharing your passion, connecting with an audience, and making a positive impact. So if you're ready to take the plunge, why not start today? After all, in the world of YouTube, the sky's the limit.